Unit 1, Lesson 9, From Parallelograms to Triangles. On your warm-up, using the two identical triangles, create as many different parallelograms as you can. You might not use them all. If you need to, you can. Slide these around, you can turn them, or you can simply click on them and bring them together. It's totally up to you how you do this. You have to create a couple parallelograms. So there's one that you may want to do. Okay? In the other three areas, you can create as many parallelograms as you would like. This is going to help us with the next activity. So with your parallelogram from the previous slide, you're going to use the parallelograms from the warm-up, calculate the area of each parallelogram, and assume that each grid square has an area of 1 square unit. So when you have all of your parallelograms down below, rectangle, square, maybe it's a rhombus, it's however you'd like to do it, then you're going to find that area, and we use that, if you remember, by using area equals base times the height. So use the area to help you find the area. Once you have concluded those and you have all of those completed, then you need to create the area of one of your original triangles. So create one of your triangles and you need to find the area of that. Remember what a triangle looks like in a parallelogram. Moving on to activity 2. Activity 2, there are 4 different triangles labeled D, E, F, and G are shown on the grids. You are to choose 3 of these triangles to determine their area. So as you look, you can click any 3 that you would like. Then on the next slide, it's going to give you one of those shapes. You're going to determine the area of each triangle using at least 2 different strategies altogether. Use the tools to help if you need it. If you are given a copy of the triangle, a digital note card which can be resized, and a height segment. So here's your triangle. You can use lines down here to help you. Maybe you're going to create a parallelogram. Okay, there's my parallelogram. Or my rectangle, if I just add that line right here. So you can use these tools down below to help you with that. Find the area of that triangle and explain your thinking. Now you have chose 3 different triangles. So you're going to find the area of each one of those triangles. Okay, when you're finished, you can submit all of those. So once you get to slide 7, that last triangle, then you are done. You may submit. Make sure you know the area of each one, and then submit, and then you may go to Google Classroom. But first, please show our guest teacher that you have finished. I hope all of you have a wonderful Monday, and I look forward to seeing you on Tuesday morning.